I've been editing all day and getting over this cold too. But I'm hungry now. I'm getting ready. I was gonna cook, but it's kind of running late and I'm hungry. I need some food pretty quick. I don't want to wait on it. And I wanted chicken, so I'm gonna take you guys to the best chicken that I've had in all of the Philippines so far. It's in Darwin, which is very close to me. I thought I was actually in Darwin, but apparently I'm not. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's called, I think it's called Lolo's Chicken, or Lolo's Say. I'm pretty sure that's it, Lolo's Say. Either way, I'll show y'all on the sign, and I'll show y'all where it's at because it is worth it, man. You can find chicken in all over the Philippines. They're very good at it, but this particular place, I don't know what they season their chicken with, but it is to die. It's probably some of the best chicken I've ever had in my life, but y'all see in a minute. You see what I'm talking about? The headlights, they're bright, but if there was a dog that jumped out in front of you while this was all it was, you wouldn't be able to see it. But this is the brights. That's as bright as it gets. Bad part about this is it'll blind somebody in the other lane, so you can't ride down the street that way. This right here is the city of Darwin. Not a big city at all. And I'm not sure if I remember where this chicken place is at, but we're gonna find it. I think it's right up here, but I'm not positive. I'll probably drive past it at least once. Oh yeah, I think this is it right up here. Is that it? Yep, that's it. This is so good. I don't know where it's okay to park, but I'm fixing to park up on the sidewalk. This works for me. Hey, I'm telling you, this is worth the trip. If you're in Dumaguete or anywhere near Dumaguete, you got to come check this place out. It's worth it. It's about maybe 25 minutes outside of Dumaguete, but well worth it. Get my dang selfie stick out of here. Maybe, if I can find it. There it is. It seems like Sundays is going to be my day to do all my videoing for some reason. It's when I get motivated. But this is the sign. Hey, how's it going? Lolo's Say grilled chicken butterfly. This is the joint right here. Check this out. Hey, how's it going, man? I don't know if it has something to do with how fast they spin it, but it is good. Hey, how's it going? Check this out though. Half chicken for 180 pesos. I wonder if you can get a half of a spicy chicken. I don't know, I tried the chicken. I might get something different. Might try this combo meal. This is, man, oh my God. Yeah, everything here looks good, man. I might try something different. I don't know, I might have to get that chicken. Hey, how's it going? Hey, the spicy chicken, is it only available for a whole chicken?
Yeah, for the half can. Only the regular can have chicken.
Okay, let me just get a half chicken with rice and a Coca-Cola.
Yeah, you want one? Original or
The original, yes, please.
For dining?
Yes, please. Half chicken, one rice, and one Coca-Cola.
One Coca-Cola in can. Original.
Yeah, original Coke. Yeah.
Half chicken, one rice, one Coke regular in can, 240.
Okay. No change. Thank you. Do I need a number or just y'all bring it over? Salamat. Yeah, this place is good. I'm gonna try to get the regular chicken. Apparently, you have to get the half chicken if you want to, or a whole chicken if you want it spicy. I'm gonna set it right over here. Shit. Hey, how's it going? Hey, you should check out my vlog.
What's your channel? What is your page?
It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube. It's called Jogo Wonder.
Jogo Wonder.
Yeah, check it out.
I check it out.
I'm gonna put you on there. My man. Oh, you're a vlogger too? He is now. Hey, look, he's gonna be on YouTube. That's the good thing about Filipinos. They don't mind being on camera at all. But yeah, this place is cool, man. The food, I swear, I need to try something besides the chicken. But I've only got it here one time, and it was so good, I had to come back here. I could see myself eating here probably at least 2 or 3 days a week, no joke. Even though I like to cook at home, y'all seen how cheap that was. It was only I gave him $250, but it was only 240 pesos for what I'm about to get, which is, it's around $4. Actually, I think it's right at $4 exactly, but you can't beat it. You'll see. Here, look at their food. I don't know what they got, but it looks good either way. And they give you all the sauces on the table. You're good to go. Only bad thing about this is I'm about to make a mess, which is fine with me. I guess I'll leave that on for a minute. Not bad scenery around here either. And apparently there must be more than one of these because it says Darwin branch. So there must be more of these Lolo Seisei. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It says Seiseis.
Video for
Yeah,
Wonder.
that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Hey.
My man.
Thank you.
Hey, what is that? What is that right there? Is that chicken?
Chicken.
Man, that looks good. This is the best chicken I've had in the Philippines.
This is the chicken.
Have you had the spicy one?
Spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy is
Yeah, you got to get a whole one, yeah. Oh, shoot, mine's here. Oh, yeah, it's on. Oh, shit, if I don't knock everything over. Check this out. Well, they got it chopped up for me. Thank you, Salamat. Yeah, I'm fixing to grub. And it's fast. You see how quick they got that to you? Or to me, I should say. This is how you do it. I need some peppers. Hold on. Yeah, the chilies today? No? Chili and calamansi.
Okay, I bring to you later.
Sometimes they don't bring the chilies. Maybe they think I don't eat the spicy stuff. This is how you do it right here. You get the soy sauce. And then you chop the chili up in the soy sauce. You can put this too. It's like spicy vinegar. But I like the chilies in there. And they got the hot sauce, which it ain't that hot. But this chicken right here, oh my God. Oh yeah, the skin. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I don't know what their seasoning is, but like I said, it's a strong statement saying it's the best I've had in the Philippines, because it really is. And I've been to a bunch of these in-style places. If you watch my videos, you've probably seen a few of them. I mean, it's grilled chicken, just like everywhere. But the seasoning that they use, I think it has a lot to do with how they spin it over the grill too. Because the juice stays in, because it's spinning so fast, the juice don't never have a chance to drip off. I bust that chili up a lot. And this is the key right here. Calamansi, tastes like lime, looks like a lime. That's it right there. Recipe for disaster. Melting your mouth. Them chilies ain't nothing to play with. And this is how you eat it. You eat it with your fingers, if ain't nobody looking. Or even if they are looking. And they give you rice with everything in the Philippines. But honestly, here, I think it's just to cool off your mouth. I should have got the spicy, but I would have had to get a whole chicken. I don't think I can get a whole chicken right now. The skin, look at that skin. God almighty. And it's so tender. I'm pretty sure I just chewed up a bone. And it was good. Y'all don't need to see me devour all this. My mouth is on fire. But I think this is what I needed for my cold, to be honest with you. Them chilies that's in there, it'll dang sure clear up your sinuses, to say the least. I can't even explain the flavor. It's almost like sweet and salty, but not like a barbecue sauce at all. I'm not sure what it is. But I know the sauce that I'm putting on it, that I made up, that has my lips on fire. Got the dogs out here snooping. They like it too, apparently. I'm gonna bring y'all back here here soon because they got lechon, pork belly, and a bunch of other items. If their chicken's this good, I can only imagine everything else is probably good too. And it's a Sunday night at about 10 after 7. And there's quite a few people here, and there's a lot of choices to eat, so it's pretty popular. That's always a good sign. You gotta see this wing right here. Look at this. If it don't fall apart on there, it's about to. Oh my God. That's how you clean a wing. Dang, it's good, man. The heck with the silverware. That's what we lick our fingers for, right? Like so. Oh, Yardbird didn't stand a chance. Only bad thing is my lips are on fire and I need to wash my hands. Oh my God, now I'm full. As it should be. But look, you can't beat that. For that kind of money, man, $4. Lolo's Say-Says. Chicken butterfly. That's the ticket, y'all. There's a bunch of restaurants right here in this little area too. I don't know what this other one is. I don't know what that is. I see smoke on the street. Oh, that's just barbecue. They got those little barbecue places everywhere. Thank you, sir. I'm going. Oh, man. So that's Lolo's Say-Say. Best chicken I've had in the Philippines by far. Well, not by far, but definitely the best. Now, that's a wrap. That's a full day of editing. I think I finally licked this cold. After a good night's rest, I should be good tomorrow. Y'all let me know what the best day is to go live. I don't know if you've seen the last video, but anyway, this one's over. I'm out.